I am back with this project, and this project is for studying the attrition rate. The data file is from the IBM. It is from the website. The first step is the importing of the libraries. As you can see, import pandas as PD, and so many libraries like import cborn as SNS. This is for the visualization of the data. The first step is the verification of the data set. If you type df, it will show all the rows and columns, the fields in the data. And if you say type describe, so it will show the describe, that is the mean 25% of the values 50. It gives the important insights such as the mean, the average of the different fields of the data. And if you write include 0, it shows if any zeros are there. And this is the very important command is null, so it shows if there is null values or not. So this shows that there are no null values in this data set. And this is a brief information, df info. Then the second is we'll do the exploratory data analysis and analysis. This is importing some commands for the data profiling, so analysis. This one. So this is a very important, this attrition. It will see the pair plots, all plots are there. As you can see, the age, the work-life balance, all it is shown here. And if you want to see the how much percentage the attrition, so it will show, this shows that the attrition rate in the given data set is 16.1%. Then if you want to check how is the attrition is affected by the age, as you can see, it is not been affected by the age. Then we have to see, is it been affected by the distance from home. So this also does not show that much difference because of the distance from home is not a contributing factor for attrition. Then we see the age and attrition. So here this blue color is yes. So as we can see from the data that the distance from home, when it is more than 25 minutes, this is the blue line. Then we will see the research and development. Out of the sales, there is attrition rate 30%. And in the research and development, it is total, it is 65%, and out of that 14% is the research, their attrition rate. And then by education field also there is a graph. Then environment versus attrition. Then department wise versus attrition. And then monthly income wise attrition. So if you can see, the attrition is very high when the income is less than 10,000 or like 5,000 is the income, then monthly income, then the attrition is very high. The attrition reduces when the income increases. And this shows the education field, education wise attrition also. It shows that the attrition is high in the life science department and the medical department. Age wise, it shows the younger age, they are more likely to change the job as per the data, between 20 and 30. And this is the scatter plot. Then this is the job satisfaction percentage of the employees, how much percentage employees are satisfied. And then work-life balance of the people and their attrition rate. For example, if work-life balance is perfect, then it is the attrition is less. Work experience and attrition rate. So here see work experience level is 1, then attrition is highest. The environment satisfaction and monthly income, this is the chart. So this is the interesting, we will see the attrition rate by marital status. We can see those who are married are less likely to change the job, and those who are single, they are both changing the job. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. Stay tuned.